Thank you, Shibu. Thank you, everyone, for taking the time. Yeah, my name is Jennifer Streano, and I'm running for Municipal Court Judge, along with running kind of along with Jake and Eli Parker. My background is also with the Public Defender's Office. I was with them for over 15 years. I went to law school here in Missoula, and soon after law school, I took a job with the Public Defender's Office in Helena, worked there for a few years before I was transitioned into a unit that they created with the Public Defender's Office called the Major Crimes Unit, where there were only 5 attorneys of us selected for the state, and we kind of covered the entire state, traveled throughout to handle kind of the high complex felony cases, primarily either homicide cases or other sort of complex cases. So I was with that unit for about 5 years. I saw a lot of Montana. I went from like Webo to Libby, pretty much saw the whole state. So that was one benefit. The other thing, I got to move back to Missoula, which was great. So I've been here again. And soon after that, I became the regional deputy for the Public Defender's Office here in Region 2, which is Missoula office, Mineral County, and then the office that we have in Ravalli County. So I supervised over about 25 attorneys. I had directly supervised administrative assistants, case managers, investigators, so roughly about 40 people that I was their direct supervisor. I recently just left that position and just have been private practice for a while I'm running for this position. I would say the main reason that I am running is that I strongly believe this court needs significant change. The past few years and longer, it's been running in a way that I don't think Missoula would support if they knew kind of what was going on. There's so much room for change, so much room for good ideas, and I think that I can bring those. I think we need to start prioritizing cases and how we handle them. I think that we cannot just treat all cases the same. Traffic offenses specifically, we need to use our resources better. I don't think if somebody can't afford car insurance, then I don't think putting them in jail for 10 days or fining them hundreds of dollars is really an effective solution for that person. I think that we need to reduce barriers that are in their way to rehabilitate their driving privileges, whether that getting their license reinstated or doing what they can do to get their car insurance. Right now, that's the approach that's not being taken. It is incarceration, it is more fines. And so these people are just cycling through the courts, and that's creating backlog, and that's diverting resources that we could use for other offenses that are going on in our court. I also think that what I bring to the position is my kind of experience in leadership, running an office of multiple staff and multiple attorneys. I know how to put components together to make an office work and to make it run smoothly. And I think that needs to happen in the court as well. I also just bring experience. I guess I've been a lawyer for 15 years. I've seen courts, like I said, all throughout the state. I've seen what judges do in other counties, and I see what works and I see what doesn't work. And I would like to bring and share those experiences here in Missoula and to show what works and that we can do things better here in Missoula. So thank you so much. Appreciate your time.